Y'all remember that company called Starbucks? And they had this thing called egg bites? Everyone went crazy on them, started talking about them. This is like 2 years ago now or something like that. It's so simple. Let's just make it a ChefSteps recipe. So we did. I like them because I like lean protein. So you could do like an egg white and milk one that's like crazy healthy. An egg white cottage cheese one with like a nice balance of richness. This one's like a little bit in between. It's got cottage cheese, loads of egg whites, and a little bit of cream. They're so simple. They're really good. What makes these so special at the end of the day? It's sous vide. I'm going to separate my eggs. I don't like wasting egg yolks or egg whites. So these are like the most flexible, healthy little base recipe. I'm only gonna make 6, but you can make, honestly, if you're gonna do them, I'd make like 24 or something, you know? And you can just keep them in your fridge. You could take one out, pop it in the microwave, take one out, pop it back in Joule, pop it in your little oven to reheat it, eat it cold. You could upgrade it and throw a little garnish on there, whatever you wanna do. So this is like a really simple ratio. Basically 2 parts egg white, 1 part. Go to chefsteps.com, get the rest. Don't look directly at this mixture. The problem is the chunks. So if you have a blender, food processor, go ahead and use it. Boop. Some cream. Mmm. Salt. Okay, this looks a little better now. So you can do any size jar you want. But these little guys are 4 ounces. They work great for this. Maybe give yourself 1/2 inch at the top. 1, it'll let the egg have some space, some headspace to kind of puff up and souffle a teeny bit. But also 2, if you want to put some garnish on it, which I'll do in a minute, throw some tomatoes on it, throw some herbs. You have a little space for them. That way they don't just like go falling off the side or something. We do a lot of jar stuff sous vide. So you get your lid on, your ring on, just, you know, finger tight. Nothing fancy about this. Boop. Oh God, he went sideways on me. There you go. Yeah, you'll start to see as they heat up some bubbles coming out the side. That's a good thing. If you like them a little bit more fluffy or a little bit more dense, a little more lighter firm, you can dial that in. You don't have to get crazy. You can eat them plain. I understand the whole point, you know, like on the go, da-da-da-da. But if you want to dress them up, do a little brunch, you could do what I'm doing. Some tomatoes, basil, pine nuts, season it up, bacon, chives. It's such a nice texture, even cold. You can like take it out and smear it on toast or bread if you really want, you know? No big deal. Whatever you want. Okay, so these only take 20, 25 minutes. Check it out. Egg bite. Wow. That's a fresh one. Mmm, pillowy. Here's the texture when it's fresh. Here's texture when it's cold. See, it's stiff. Look, some little garnishes. Little salad thing going on top. Now you've got like a fancified brunch. All clean and simple, and slamming them down as you're racing out the door. Come Sunday brunch, throw some cute stuff on top. What else do you need to know about it, dude? Oh my God! How much easier could it be, guys? That's it. See y'all later.